Hello everyone, welcome back to Kiran's English Hub. So we are continuing with the summaries of 7th class English, and it is time for us to clap because I'm going to teach you the last reading of this unit 7. So all the units from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, reading A, reading B, till here all the videos explanations are over. Those who want to watch those explanations, go through my playlist and you can watch all of them in my playlist. All the videos are uploaded there. You can watch them just with a single tap. So here in this lesson I will be teaching you the last one, the last reading of 7th class. So those who want to end it very perfectly in a joyful way, keep watching until it ends. So the reading here, reading C, the title is A Letter from Mother Earth. And also I would like to tell one thing before going to reading C here. Look at this note. All the C readings are meant for pleasure reading and not for assessment. So I think most of you know the meaning of this. So all the C readings, whatever the C readings are there in all the uh, 8 units, they are only for pleasure reading, in the sense they are only for some sort of grammar and sort of like storytelling and all. That's it. They are not for the examination. Those C readings will not be asked for the examinations. Okay, so for your exam, for your assessment, you will be getting only reading A and reading B. Okay, students. So but it is also important for us to go through this reading C, especially TET-DSC aspirants have to focus on this reading C also, because you might get some of the vocabulary from this reading C. There are some cases. So here, a letter from Mother Earth. So in this uh, lesson, in this story, we are going to look at a letter which is written by Mother Earth. Okay, Mother Earth in the sense by Earth, by Bhumi, Dharati, Dharani. Okay, so in this letter, the Mother Earth is asking something from the children. So it also speaks about its history. It also speaks about many things that it has given us. And finally, at the end, in the conclusion part, we see that Mother Earth is requesting or asking some help from us. Okay, let us see what that is. So children, keep all your eyes and all your ears completely on this topic, because this is a letter from Mother Earth. Okay, dear children, whom is Mother Earth is addressing here? Children. So dear children, this is a letter for you all children. Okay, all of your bright children, you know me well. So of course it is appreciating you all. It is telling that all the children are very bright and you all know me very well. That means you all know the earth. You all know it, right? For centuries, poets and great thinkers have written in praise of me. They call me Mother Earth with love and affection. This is because for hundreds of years I have taken good care of people, just as mother takes care of her children. So Mother Earth is telling that for many centuries, many poets, many great thinkers, many philosophers, they all wrote in their poems, in their essays, in their writings everywhere, they all mentioned about Mother Earth, and also they all praised Mother Earth, calling it as Mother Earth. Okay, they all call Mother Earth because the love and affection that Mother Earth gave is uncountable. It is very much. Okay, all the love and affection that we got from Mother Earth is unimaginable. So that is why all the poets, all the thinkers, they all wrote in their works praising Mother Earth. So the thing that why they have written because for centuries, for hundreds of years, Mother Earth has taken good care of all the people, just as a mother takes care of her children. So that's why all the poets and great people, great thinkers, they all mention about the Mother Earth. Okay, it is just like our mother only. Do you know how old I am? I am 4.6 billion years old, much older than your father, your grandfather, and any of your great grandfathers. What is the age of Mother Earth? The age of the Mother Earth is 4.6 billion years. And how much older she is? She is not just older to your father, not just older to your grandfather, not just older to any one of your great grandfathers. She is much older than all of them. She is 4.6 billion years old. I gave you food to eat like rice, wheat, and fruits. You also wear clothes made of cotton and live in houses made of leaves, wood, and bricks, all of which come from me. So Mother Earth is telling here that, I'm giving you everything to eat like rice, wheat, and fruits. And also you are all wearing clothes which are from cotton, which are being born from me. And also you are living in the houses which are made by wood, mud, leaves, bricks. So this everything, whatever that you are eating, whatever that you are wearing, and in whatever that you are living, all everything is from me only. Long ago, humans used to worship me as a goddess, and they used to care for me. But now they have big access to cut my trees down, and cars and buses to pollute my air with smoke and fumes. So here Mother Earth is getting into a serious point. She's telling, you know, long ago, like few years ago, people used to praise me. All the humans, they used to come to me, they used to praise me, they used to worship me as though I'm a goddess. But nowadays they are not at all caring for me, they don't care for me. They are, bringing big axes and cutting my trees down, and also they are polluting all my air with so much smoke and fumes. Okay, fumes in the sense, the like thick clouds of smoke is called as fumes. Okay, so earth is urging here, earth is telling that all the people are cutting my trees, all the people are polluting my air. Okay, they don't respect me anymore. See the serious tone of the sad tone of the earth here. Earth is telling that, all the human people, all the human generations, they are not at all respecting me now. Your teacher must have told you how my forests and mountains help to make rain and keep the life on earth going. But nowadays, even my mountains and forests are being destroyed. So I think, all those who are listening to this class, all your teachers might have told you how usually these forests and mountains are very much useful for the rainfall. Okay, so where if there are too much or so many trees, then we get the rainfall. If there are no trees, then there is no rainfall. So your teachers might have taught you this. So but nowadays, even the mountains and the forests are also being destroyed. Okay, so you humans are yourselves destroying my bountiful forests and making my lands barren. Don't you understand that I need them to give you enough rain? Without rain you will not have any food to survive. So here earth is telling that you humans only are destroying all my bountiful in the sense like plenty, okay, so many forests, and also making my lands barren. Okay, barren in the sense, barren lands are, a type of lands which are not used for cultivation, they are not at all useful for cultivation. Okay, so these humans, all the human population, they are cutting the forest and they are making the lands barren. Okay, so there is no use of that barren land. Okay, so now each and everyone must know that only with the help of trees there can be rain. So if there is rain, there will be food. Okay, so this is the chain usually that humans must know. So when all the people cut down the trees, there will be no rain. If there is no rain, there will be no food. So Mother Earth is warning us that don't you know that you should eat food daily, and if you want to eat food, then you should have trees. If you want to have trees, you should not cut trees, you should have rains. If you cut trees, there will be no rains. So Mother Earth is asking us, don't you know that you have to eat to survive? Don't you know that you have to save the trees and all? So I am very sad about what is being done to me. So Mother Earth is telling in very sad tone that she is very sad about the things that are being done to it, being done to trees, being done to things being done to its air, okay, and things being done to its water and everything. This is why I am talking to you. So this is why Mother Earth is talking to you, to all the children. You will all grow up and become good citizens, and I want you to take care of me. What is Mother Earth requesting here? Mother Earth is requesting all the children to grow up and become good citizens, and also to take care of Mother Earth. Plant more trees in your house, in your school, and in your towns and villages. What is the solution that Mother Earth is giving here? Mother Earth is telling you all to plant more and more and more and more trees in your house, in your school, in your towns, in your villages, everywhere. Okay, so if there are more trees, you will get more rainfall. If there is more rainfall, you will get some food to eat. Okay, so think now, after all, you just have one Mother Earth. So you just imagine, you just think in your mind, we just have only one Mother Earth. We do not have five, six Earths. For example, if this Earth is destroyed, go to that Earth. It is not that kind, right? So it is very important to save the one and only Earth which we have. Okay, so Mother Earth is telling us and asking us and also suggesting us many things here to save the Earth. I trust you will take care of me well. So it is also trusting all the children. Mother Earth is also trusting all the children that children will be taking care of it very well. So I hope the children will listen to Mother Earth and will keep the hope of the Mother Earth. So you can see that the letter is from Mother Earth. Yours lovingly, Mother Earth. So here you have got some glossary. First one, affection, a feeling of liking and caring about something or someone. Billion, okay, you can see that you have nine zeros. Okay, so just count it. Pollute, to make air, water, or land too dirty and dangerous for people to use in a safe way. Destroy, to damage so severely that it no longer exists. Bountiful, okay, like plentiful, large quantities, available in large quantities. Barren, barren land is dry and plants cannot grow there. Survive, to stay alive. So this glossary is very important for you TET-DSC aspirants, and also this letter which is there is not only for the children but also for everyone who is listening to this video. Okay, irrespective of any age you are. Okay, so we all have to save our Mother Earth from its distraction. Okay, so it is time for us to clap. It was a very good to teach you all. I have got very good response from many people, okay, in the form of likes, in the form of comments and all, in the form of appreciations and all. So for so many units, like 1 to like 8 units, it has been a very good journey to interact with you all in this way. So keep watching my videos, so when you get into the next class, you also go to the 8th class playlist, which is readily available in the channel. So you can just go to that playlist and you can again start watching that videos also. Okay children, and also TET-DSC aspirants, gather all the glossary which I taught in the 7th class and keep them in one place. So if you just learn that glossary, that is going to help you a lot. Okay, so that is it for this video. So I hope you all have enjoyed all these videos. So keep watching the videos, and before leaving the video, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon, and also share each and every video that you watch to your friends, to your classmates and all, so they can also get so much of knowledge. Okay children, so DS aspirants, also please do share it in your groups to your friends and also other aspirants who are preparing for TET-DSC. Okay, so with this appreciation note and also an happy ending, I will be ending this 7th class videos here. So keep watching Children's English Hub. Take care. God bless you.